In today's video, join us as we start our new project by printing a circuit board on our cutting-edge printing equipment. We then prepared our CNC machine, equipping it with the perfect cutter to mill our object to proper size. CNC milling is a crucial step in the fabrication process, as it transforms raw materials into precisely shaped components. After shaping it to the desired size, we smooth the corners to ensure a flawless finish. Now, we clean our copper-clad board, immersing it in ferric chloride to achieve optimal oxidation. In a few minutes, our copper-clad board is primed and ready. We then skillfully soldered the LED lights, seamlessly connecting them to our Arduino system. With all electrical connections set, we initiate testing to ensure flawless functionality. All building components were previously 3D printed and painted. Now it's time to fix them on the support layer. One by one, each element is seamlessly integrated into the layout of our technical scale model, showcasing the LED path that was created between components. As the final touches, we added a forklift and a tank truck, elevating the look. Witness the dynamic glow of our Arduino commanded LED lights as they illuminate the connectivity of our scale model. And don't miss the kinetic movement of the wind turbines, a commitment to sustainability and a greener future. Everything was meticulously designed, and every component carefully integrated. The result, a scale model that seamlessly blends the magic of technology with the beauty of innovation, all in 1:87 scale. Interactive features such as moving parts, lighting effects, or sound elements invite viewers to actively engage with the model, fostering a sense of curiosity and exploration. These dynamic elements not only enhance the visual appeal of the model, but also provide valuable insights into its functionality and operation. Kinetic elements add a dynamic dimension to the presentation, bringing the scale model to life with movement and motion. How do you incorporate such dynamic features into your projects?